What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we'll be making Swiss meringue buttercream. I hope you guys enjoy this one, and I'll put my previous video in the link below in the description. I hope you like and subscribe. Please share this, and yeah, let's get right into the video. Okay, so first thing you want to do is you want to get a metal bowl. And any bowl, it doesn't have to be metal, it can be any bowl that can be heat resistant, because we're going to have to put this over boiling water for a double boil. And next thing you want to do is you're going to want to separate all the eggs from yolks to whites. We're going to want to use the egg whites. You're going to want to make sure that these eggs are room temperature and that they're large eggs. Here's one trick. You're gonna crack the egg, and then you're gonna want to put it between your fingers and just move it around for all the yolks to slide out. And like that, you have a yolk. Egg white. So after you separated all your whites and put them in a heat-safe bowl, we're going to put them in a pot with boiling water, and let's get right into that one. So after you have all your stuff ready, you're going to get a pot with 1 or 2 cups of water on medium heat, and you're going to want to place your egg bowl on top of it on simmering water. Just like this. So now you're going to want to add 1.5 cups of sugar. Those were 1/2 cups, so that's why I added 3. And you want to mix this until well combined. It should look right about like this. It should look about like this. A tip for to know when it's done is you grab your fingers and you pinch, and when you feel no sandiness, then you know it's done. So it's been about 6 minutes, and I'm going to do the pinch test, and I feel no sugar. So now you're gonna take it off the heat, and we're gonna move on to our next process. Okay, so now you're going to want to use a whisk attachment on a KitchenAid or stand mixer, and you're going to mix it until we get a nice meringue with stiff peaks. And I'll show you once I get it. You're going to be mixing on 8 and high. It should take about 5 to 6 minutes. It's just been a few minutes, and look how marshmallowy it is. It's soupy. That's not what you want, but just like how like meringue almost it's gotten after a few minutes. So you want to keep mixing for another 4 to 5 minutes. So when you're done mixing, it should have stiff peaks like this. And now we're gonna add our 5 sticks of butter in. So let's do that right now. So on low speed, you're gonna want to add 4 sticks of softened, unsalted butter, but 1 tablespoon at a time. It doesn't have to be perfect, but not a lot, so don't mess it up. Like this. Boop. In. You want to wind a little. So this thing might get soupy, but don't worry, it will build up. It's like building from rock bottom all the way up. So once it gets soupy, it'll get up. And you might ask, do I have to add all this stick of butter? And yes, you have to, or it won't work. It needs that extra stick of butter to like help. You're gonna want to mix it around, so make sure everything's well combined. Make sure there's no little curves or anything. So next, you're gonna want to add 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, and then you're gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So after mixing, you're going to want to put this in a piping bag, and I'm going to show you how to decorate with this. So let's move on to that right now. So next thing you want to do is you want to get the piping bag. You want to put it around your hand, or you can put it in a cup. It'll be easier, but I don't have any big cups to put in this, so I'm gonna do this. And then you want to get some of your awesome frosting, and then you're gonna want to put it into your bag. Kind of grab to pull down. So once you get in a bag like this, you're gonna want to add some to the middle. A little, and then you're gonna want to spread it a little like this, and you want to put your cake on it. I'm using chocolate cake, but you can use whatever cake you desire. And then you're going to do a little ring around it, not a lot, but a good amount. That should be good. And you're going to spread it like this, just evenly. So after you spread it out evenly, you want to get another layer. You want to put it on top, but upside down, basically, so it could be a smooth top. And you want to get some of your frosting. You're just going to put a good amount on top, not a lot, but a good amount, and you're going to evenly spread it again. And once all smooth, you're going to put it in the fridge. It's called a crumb coat. You want to put it in the fridge and then chill it for an hour. And we're going to come back and ice it, and it's going to look really nice. Okay, so after you took it out of the fridge, you're going to want to finish icing it. So that's what we're going to do. Big gulp of icing. Put it on the top. And we're gonna get our handy spatula. I'm just gonna spin. And on the sides. Okay, when you're done, it should look like this. I'm gonna leave it like this. I don't like that much frosting on my cake. I'm not gonna really decorate, but I just wanted to show you. And yeah, let's get into the outro. So there you have it. That's how you make good Swiss meringue buttercream. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for another video. I might post one this week or next week. And yeah, comment down below, share this with your friends, and yeah, see you guys later. Peace.